Hi you guys, my name is Marcus. I'd like to share a standing moving meditation with you guys today. So you're welcome to follow along. There's a little bit of Qigong type of stuff we're going to do. So let's start by taking our feet about shoulder width apart, and we're going to face our toes straight forward, and we'll place our hand right below our belly button, place the other hand on top. And we're going to bend our knees. Nice generous bend to the knees. Knees are kind of tracking over your toes. And we're just going to be quiet for a moment. You're welcome to close the eyes. Make sure your butt's not sticking way back. Kind of tuck your tailbone under. Relieve the curve of that lower back area. Once you feel grounded here, we're going to float our arms out in front, kind of like you're hugging a tree. Nice soft elbows, bent elbows, got our knees bent. All the joints are open and circulating. If you're not already, you can bring your focus to your breathing. Just noticing the sensation of the breath that comes into your body, just noticing the places that it affects and reaches. You can allow your breath to deepen a little bit deeper on each inhale, and slow the breath down as you exhale. Okay, we're going to open our eyes and push our palms down, go ahead and straighten those legs. Let's get moving. Let's circle our arms out and up. You can take a breath in as you reach them up and over, and then exhale as you push your palms facing down. I'm just going to do this a few more times. Keep softness to the knees, a little micro bend to the knees. Remember, we're breathing in as we circle the arms out and up. Exhaling slowly. We'll go one more. Great. All right. Next, we're just going to kind of loosen things up a little bit. So we're just going to turn left to right. Real simple. Ah, that feels good. Next, we're going to take our arm just straight out in front, and then just let them drop down. Real lazy arms. And one more. All right, let's place our hands on our hips, and we're just going to circle our hips around. Big, wide circles. Maybe you'll notice some pops and cracks in the joints, and that's okay. And then we'll switch directions. That feels really good. All right, let's leave our hands on our hips, and we're gonna add just a slight bend to the knees. We want to keep our legs relatively straight, so let's go ahead and keep a straight spine and start to lean forward. Feels good, especially if you've been sitting in the car all day. Take a breath in as you come up. And exhale one more time, extending the spine forward. And inhale back up. Let's circle the arms out and up. And then exhale, bring the palms down to the heart. Let's do that a couple more. And exhale. And one more full breath. And exhale. All right. Let's place our hands back on our hips. And I got another one I'd like to do. We're going to follow each movement with a breath. So let's take a breath in, and then exhale as you slide your left hand all the way down to the left foot. And then inhale across to the other foot, doing like a half circle with the hand. Exhale back to the first foot, and then inhale, same way you went down. And exhale down the other side. Inhale across. And exhale back. And inhale back up to standing. Let's do each side. And inhale to rise. All right, feels good. Let's bring our feet together next. And we're gonna bring our palms to our heart. We're gonna bend our knees, nice generous bend to those knees, and then we're gonna extend out through our right foot so that the toes are pointing straight up. And again, we're keeping this left knee bent. We're gonna start to turn our torso towards that front leg and extend our spine forward like we did in that last position. And then we're gonna come right back up. And then bring your foot back under the hip. Straighten the legs, circle the arms. Exhale down. Let's do that a couple more. All right. Fix my shirt here. Let's go ahead and bring our hands to the heart. Bend the knees. Extend out through the left foot, toes facing up. And we're going to extend the spine forward. And back up, real easy. Bring the foot back under the hip. Inhale the arms, straighten the legs. Couple more. All right, let's bring our hands to the heart and do that one more time. Bend the knees. We're going to add something a little different this time. We're going to lengthen the spine forward, and then we'll set our foot flat. Bend the knee over the ankle and start to straighten through the back leg, elongating through the spine. And then we're going to move, shifting our hips back over that back foot again. And then bring the front leg in. Let's inhale. Okay, last side, you guys. Bending the knees and forward. And we'll bend the knees. And shifting the hips back. All right. I think that's it for today. It's getting pretty windy and cold out here, so I'll see you guys next time with some more stuff.